Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Motive with Saurabh. Today I'm showing you how to replace the rear wheel bearing of 2020 Nissan Rogue. So let's get started. So first you need to remove the brake caliper from the rotor. There is the two bolts on the back of the caliper. You find that two bolt. You can remove it from with the help of 17 mm socket. Just loose it up and take it out. Just remove the both of the bolt and you able to remove the whole caliper from the rotor, and you need to remove the rotor as well. After that, just keep aside the brake caliper so it's not comes in your way. And next step is remove the axle nut with the help of 30 mm socket. Just remove the axle nut. Let me show you the next four bolts which you need to remove from back of the backing plate. Yeah, here is the four bolts just around the axle boot. You can see in the video. So there's a 17 mm socket you need to use, and you can easily take it out. You can use the extension socket and you can just easily take it out, so you can able to disconnect the backing plate and the hub. After that, just carefully remove the backing plate and the bearing from the hub. Hit some hammers to separate the wheel bearing from the backing plate, and that's it guys. You have now old bearing in your hand and you can replace it with the new one and you're good to go. Just sand the wheel hub and apply some anti-seize on it before putting new one. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching and do consider me subscribe. Thanks again. Goodbye.